Done, cut, finished.
You can't do that. He's the only one that can do that.
I'm going to practice doing it with my toes just to be that mad cunt.
Come and show everybody why you can do it with one hand.
Triple do-rad.
Show him, show him, show him what.
He can give thumb up and do-rad in one.
Double do-rad on one hand. Only man I know that can do it. We're back.
We're back.
First video for 2021.
It's going to be a good year, guys.
And as you can see, we're half stripped back down. We're just starting to cut OEM parts off of it, which I'm happy about. Get it ready for the core kit.
Then it goes to the paint shop. From the paint shop, comes back here.
Stereo.
And stereo goes in. So it's all going to snowball into chaos.
So hang about. You're going to see it all happen. Let's get into it.
Let's make 2021
Good.
quadruple do-radded.
The slow process of stripping the whole rear end. Process that has to be done with every coil kit. It has to be stripped down, especially weld-ins. Otherwise it's going to get welded or painted.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. Okay, just finished stripping the car. Boys have finished welding it. Rust preventer done. Now the fun part of putting it all back together.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh no. Rear is done, onto the front. Alright, big girl's on the ground. A couple more little finishing touches, and she's off to get painted. How good?
Woohoo! We're heading down to North Ballina to smash repairs. No, we haven't crashed the car yet. It's just getting repainted.
My new car, bad apple.
It is, so we didn't get time because these builds all happen as quick as possible and deadlines start merging into other deadlines. So we're going to do that this morning while I'm down there. And then we're going to get some footage of it getting stripped apart for you and all the good stuff. So stay tuned for the next episode because it's going to be wicked.
Come along.
Everybody loves the paint going on.
Bam.
Lovely. Bit of a drive.
That was a drive. That's all right.
There's a big rig down the back. So that's the welding kit from Superior.
I think it looks a lot tidier.
I think it's a hell of a lot tidier. So the reason why we went the welding kit with Lukey's is, well, one, we've got the bolt-in kit in my car, and we wanted to showcase the welding because we are fabricators and it's more down our street, you know. So
It's a bit more fitted.
yeah, and to be honest with you, it's a lot cleaner. Big fan of it. It almost looks standard, which is what you want when you're buying aftermarket suspension.
But I do like the fact that the plates are on the side.
Yeah, we probably favour the kit because we're welders, so it's probably the only reason. Obviously, all of your mounts for your old leaf springs, they're all gone, so it just looks a lot cleaner, a lot tidier, which will be great for, I would say, this build anyway, because she's going to be clean, mate. It's going to be a nice looking ute. So.
More crawler clean.
Yep. Cowboy tune, eat your heart out. You can make some memes with this one, brother.